Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable secondary verification in Binance mobile app. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in and once you are on the home page of Binance application, you can either tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner, or if you are not able to see that, then you can even click on your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed on your profile page where you will have to select the option of security. Now in the security, you are going to see this option which says two-factor authentication, and it will also show you the option of 2FA activated. So you simply need to click on two-factor authentication option and then you will be asked how you want to verify your account. So you will be given two options. The first is of Google Authenticator and the second one is of SMS authentication. So if you select the first option of Google Authenticator, then you will have to download and install the Google Mobile Authenticator application in your device, and then you just have to provide the passcode there in order to enable it on Binance. If you have selected the second option of SMS authentication, then they are going to send you a 6-digit code on your registered mobile number, which you need to copy and you need to paste it over here in order to verify SMS authentication. So if you have selected the second option of SMS authentication, then it will show you your registered mobile number and you will be able to see the option of enable. So you simply need to click on enable, and after that you just have to provide the code that they sent you on your registered mobile number in order to enable it. If you have selected the first option of Google Authenticator, then you will have to first launch your Google Authenticator application. Then you need to click on this plus icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can select the option between scan a QR code and enter a passkey. So regardless of whichever option you choose, you will be redirected on this type of page where in the account you will have to provide it as Binance, and in the key you will have to provide the 16-digit key which you are going to get when you have selected this option. So you just have to copy that and you will have to paste it there. After that, you need to provide the code that they are going to send you on your Google Authenticator application. After that, you will be landed on the final page where you will be shown the prompt which says your 2FA settings has changed or your 2FA settings are now enabled. So this way you will be able to easily enable secondary verification in Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.